Directorate of Sports and Youth Affairs, ringkat ke Meghalaya Football Association bat kumju ke Meghalaya State Olympic Association, hakashi tarik rempang kila Pdiang burom ya kekenhun kinong ilek kai football ka jela, kibalayo ra ya kanam la adu bat khursundan ya katakamak siar hakelempung Khelo India Youth Games 2023. Kani kekenhuan kisamla ya lekai under 18 ke jela, kila yok khur ya kani kanam la adu hadian bakila pelim ya ke Punjab da arla not ha ke jika kun final kabala long ha Chennai ha kalai puai terik rempang. Baro arteli ki go lathep da ubadan bor marbanyang. Kejing Pdiang burom ya kani kekenhuan kelas dang nadu kakat liang sun na Guwahati. Hakaba u District Sports Officer Jong Kari Buhay District ulalet ban Pdiang bat shaw ya kani kekenhuan na kani kejaka. Bat hadian kani na kaliang katanat sports kala penbiang da kawe kakali he kabala penriam penbet bahaya ka bat ban penkiupat ya ki player baro hakani kakali. Habala poi hasor Shillong la penlong ya ka jingya linti haki katu kani ki benta jong ki surok bapau nam kanong ba Hashwa bayakani kekenhun anda Pdiang burom biang iki sasisian hamadan MFA turf third ground pulu. Hakani kejing Pdiang burom lawan banyasa khilang da kakongsan kong isawanda lalu IAS bade atat ke director jong ketanat sports and youth affairs layadon lang ru working president but secretary ke Meghalaya State Olympic Association uba John F Kharshiyang bat uba Fendi L Pariat u president bat secretary ka MFA uba Hamlet Sandoling ba Sunish CM bat kidakhat nong kitkam ka MFA nalor kata layadan lang ru armut ki player le kai football balapau bat bakan sai ka jela kum uba ailat kenta bat uprangki buam habakran kum kakongsan kakong isa wanda lalu kasngo ban ainam ai burom ya kani kekenhun kum kita ki klur jongkari halor ka jingla jongkani kekenhun ban wanrah ya kanam ke burom ringkat bat ke trofi kabalong da shisha kabada pensngo sarong bha ya ke jelahi baro ka wei shu kalabatai sha ki player ba balai banakalyang ka jongka kum ka khli jongka tanat sports bakan dale burom hadu kat ni kadau hi kalong bah kadakwa ban ai mensim bat ailam ya kanuksa sakiwei pat baling ba ka jing tresitom lala apat ban wanrah ya kanam saka jella.
It is indeed such a happy occasion for each and every one of us to welcome you on this day. Tie ko moong iba Jeff mentan ngat harai pila ethat pila khidang step you must all be sleepy hinrei ngai iru pila shat ba drong ka boss tingat harai pim da samthia do kata-kata ngangit banado pirung hapo sorsolong nado mene hapo Guwahati hapo bepilan rung ila persang na kaliang jong ke department ban peni ya kata ka jingmen ke jongi ha ka bagin yo ban Pdiang burom ya pi namal minta ka sni pi de shisha ki klor jong kari ki bla wanrah ya ka nam ke burom ke bla wanrah ya ka ne ka trophy na ka benta ka state but ni long ni sarong hado kata-kata na ka benta jong pi ngai ku blaya baro ki officers ki blaya rap ru pan Pdiang semua bahaya kini ki samla jongi nadu nang tena banalari hakaba pila yo ban shong hadrong ketika bas pila shat pila risa lesi fikali balai ni kwa ya phi ba pin shong kum to kalong ke ngat harai ka ba phiro pin smut nat hinrei haka jo kopor bangin la ban ai min sim bat ngin la ban ai nuksai ki weipat ba ngilong ngila ban pini baling ba ka jing tresh tom jong phi ling ba ki ka preparation jong phi kini ki sngi baro pilala ban wanrah ya kanam shaka state ka jong ni kamde ka bakai ka Khelo India Youth Games hakaba ki states baro ki le kai pat pila job ya kani ka kusnam tingis ngo ka de ke ka bagi don kam ban celebrate tina kata kadaw ni penlong ru ini program ibarit bat ngingay ba hadian kani ru phim padathat namarkan sadon sa artli ka program hadian kani ila request the honorable chief minister bangin yalam ya phi shaka chamber jong I ban ni kendo I bat ha ka jo khopor ya honorable sports minister kum jo I badang don halinti menta nakata ka daw imla ban joining I kani kapor ti sa sisien kumbala kren ki bahashwa jonga ngakwa tang ban ai khuble Sashisien ye phi baro kajing tre shitom jong phi kajing do yap ka jong phi but kam tam ka team spirit but ka perseverance jong phi kajing durut jong phi ka wanrah e phi sha kane but boy sha kane ka thong. We were all closely following the games, I think, right from the very beginning. I was able to catch one or two matches or snippets of these matches, and we saw that it was no mean feat. Firstly, to be in a group which had, such strong contenders, Punjab, Tamil Nadu, UP, the big guns, right? The only state from the northeast, and yet you went undefeated in the group matches. Not a single draw, not a single loss. I think that is no mean feat. And then I think in the semi-finals, it was a little tricky. It was a little tense for all of us, but all the same, in that as well, you came out with flying colors. And in the finals yesterday, it was really a sight to behold. And for this, once again, we would like to congratulate you for your prowess on the field, for your determination, and for this prize which you have brought home.